Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. My son got me an air fryer for Christmas, and I've already used it several times. I made chicken wings for the first time the other night. They were so good, and I will be doing a video. And I've made some frozen french fries in it, which were very worth it, because I do not like frozen french fries baked in the oven, but I went ahead and gave it a try. And like Christy from Christy's Cooking Channel said, if you get an air fryer just for the frozen french fries, it is worth it. And I'm going to link her channel. And I'm also going to link my friend Booger 500 US's channel and the video that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to link that video too. This will be my first time cooking real potato french fries in this. And this is the brand. I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong. It's Farberware, and it has the pull-out basket in it. Now, in my booklet, it says to go ahead and preheat my air fryer to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has the little dial on top. So I'm just going to put it on 320, and mine has a timer that you have to use to get it to work. But you can always open it. Once you open it, it stops the cooking and the timer until you close it back. So I'm going to let this go about 10 minutes. And here are my french fries. I just peeled the potatoes, and I will show you my french fry maker that I have. So excuse it, it's dirty because I used it. It's this little gadget right here. You stick your potato on and just push it down through there, and it cuts it perfect. Now, down in the description box below, I will have a link to where you can find something like this, and a link to an air fryer similar to mine if you want to check it out. So I've been soaking my potatoes, and I always soak my potatoes. Even if I'm making mashed potatoes, I always soak them. But these have been soaking for at least 30 minutes, and I'm following Booger's recipe. So now I'm going to drain these really good and really dry them real good with some paper towels. Okay, my potatoes are really good and dry. Now, this is an oilless air fryer, and for the french fries, frozen french fries, you do not need oil, and they tasted really good. But for these, you do need just a little bit. So I'm going to coat them with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a toss to coat them real good. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of kosher salt on them, a little bit of pepper. Now, my son loves this adobo. I do too. It's got garlic and stuff in it. So I'm going to sprinkle some of that on there. And also, everybody in my family but me loves spicy. It's just I really can't eat it. But these won't be real spicy. I found this when we went to the Blue Ridge Mountains up in LJ. This right here, so I'm going to add just a little bit of that. And now give it a good toss. Alright, my timer has went off. I'm going to remove the basket. I'm going to add my fries in. Now, this is how, when I cook my, when I fry my french fries, I always fry them just till they're done. I take them out, drain them, let them cool, and then finish frying them up till they get golden brown. And this is the way that Booger does it too. She said to fry them for 15 minutes. We're going to stop it. We're going to let them sit and cool down, and then we're going to finish it off. But right now my air fryer set at 320. So I'm going to put it on 15 minutes. And even when I did the frozen fries, halfway through, I opened the basket and I tossed them or shook them around so they would cook evenly, and then finished it off. But I'll bring you back when 15 minutes are up. Alright, my first 15 minutes are up. Gonna remove the basket. This is what they look like. Now I'm gonna give it a good shake. And that's how I do when I cook the frozen fries. I give it a good shake. And we're just gonna let these set and cool down for about 15 minutes. Alright, it's time to finish off our French fries. Now I'm gonna turn my temperature up to 400, and I'm gonna set my timer to 15 minutes. It might not take that long, it might take a little longer. I'm still learning this. I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes, but in 5 minutes I'm gonna open the basket, give it a good shake, put it back on, and then in another 5 minutes open it, give it a good shake, test it to see where it's at, and so on and so forth. Alright, my French fries are done. I did have to let them cook a little bit longer because I do have my basket really filled. Really don't want to overfill it. But I'm going to let these cool just for a minute and then we'll try one. I don't know if you can hear how crispy these are. So now I'm going to try one. The outside is good and crispy, and the inside is good and tender. They have a good flavor to them. They're very good and very worth this air fryer that my son got me for Christmas. I'm loving it. And also, I'll leave some links in the description box below to some similar products that I've used in this video. So thanks for watching, and please go check out my good friends Booger's channel and Christy's channel. I'll leave their links and the video where she made French fries. I believe she has the DeLonghi air fryer. I'm not sure if that's the right name, but please make sure you go check them out. And she's the air fryer queen. She cooks everything in her air fryer, and I'm learning so much. I'm loving my air fryer. Next, I'll show you how I do my chicken wings. The family really loved them, and they were a whole lot better, in my opinion. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment, because I do love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.